Be the best in the cooking. Hello viewers, welcome to Ammu's Delight. Hope all my videos are help you. Do not miss it. Watch regularly and give your suggestions. Today's video is for those doing fasting. This food is to be taken after fasting, which is simple and more healthy. Yes, we shall start preparing. First take the raw rice 1 cup and moong dal 1 by 4 cup and methi 1 by 4 teaspoon. Soak for half an hour. Moong dal and rice, methi. Already I soaked half an hour. Now we'll start preparing. Keep the cooker. Add some oil, 2 spoon of oil, 2 or 3 spoon of oil. Then 1 stone, flower stone, 2 cardamom. Fry it. Then put 2 chilli, 4 or 5 garlic and 1 medium size onion in small pieces and small tomato in small pieces. Fry it. Fry it till little color stage. After frying, add some salt. Then after frying, add some salt. Then onion and tomato will cook soon. Now this stage is enough. Now add 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix it till ginger garlic raw smell want to go. Now after frying, add 1 carrot in small pieces, 1 medium size carrot, then fresh peas, half cup, then little mint and coriander leaf. Fry it little. For vegetable cook, add little salt and close it and keep it for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, carrot and peas are cooked. After frying, add water. Now I have taken this soaked water itself. 1.5 cup is came soaked water. Altogether put 5 cup of water. 5 or 5.5 cup of water. Then add some salt. Mix it nicely. Now close it and keep it. Let boil. Now nicely is boiling. Mix it once. Vegetables also all cooked. Then add rice, moong dal and methi soaked in half an hour. Mix it nicely. Let it boil for some time. Then add little ghee, half spoon of ghee. Now the rice is boiling. Close it and keep it 2 whistles comes. Now 2 whistles came. The rice all cooked nicely, and add some little mint and coriander leaf. Mix once and serve it hot. Hello viewer, today we prepare this fasting food which is simple and healthy. Hope you all clear about the preparation. All those do fasting can eat this after the fasting. Most of the housewives fast once in a week. This food will help you break your fasting. If you like it, give a like and share to your friends and subscribe the channel. See you next video. Thank you. Be the best in the cooking.